Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today I'm reviewing what's inside this box. If you would like to see what's inside this box, continue watching this video. Right now, this is the box it comes in. This is by KKCITE, which is spelled KKCITE. You can buy these on Amazon. These are $34.99 at the moment on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy this. But anyway, first of all, I'll show you the box first before I actually unbox it. Ooh. Here is the app. Basically, what you do is you get your phone, you scan this to get the app on your phone for connect to the smartwatch. And also on Amazon it says it takes SIM cards, but it does not. So bear in mind when you buy this, it does not take SIM cards. So look. And the other thing is when you buy this as well, I've actually put the strap on. When you buy it, it doesn't come with the strap on. You have to put it on yourself, which is a bit stupid. But obviously I put it on myself just to save time in the video. And also you get this fucking sticker what's on top of this watch here, which is it's off. I don't know. So you get the watch inside the box. You get a USB cable, micro USB. You get the instructions. Tells you everything what you can do basically. And you get a cleaning cloth to clean the screen, obviously. And you also, inside the box, you get a screen protector for your front of your watch, stop it getting scratched. Right now, so get again to the watch. This watch, at the side here, it's got like, obviously you put it off, and that's to charge it. You've got like a socket there, micro USB, and the other side you've got like a up down button. Now to turn it on, you just press the up down button. It should come on. Yeah. It makes a sound. Now it's on. And this is the phone itself. To use any of the functions on the phone, you have to connect it to a phone, which to me is a bit ridiculous, because on the description on Amazon it says it takes SIM cards, which I'm very disappointed about this watch. But the only good thing about this watch is it's got a heart rate monitor on it, and as you know that when it's actually on, the back here it will flash green, and also when you put it in your wrist, it'll show you your heart rate. That's really, I mean, it does look alright, but for how much it costs, I mean, I don't think it's worth the money. But I mean, it's got a step meter basically, but you can track your steps and things like that, and obviously Bluetooth. But everything on it, I mean, to make it work, it's come up with a message saying you need to connect to a phone, which is, to me, it's just really pointless. I wouldn't give a good review if it was dead good, the watch. But obviously, I'm not too happy with it. I mean, for £34.99, I really don't think it's worth it. So if you've watched this review, hope I haven't disappointed you. If you have one of these watches, let me know in the comments below what you think about this watch anyway. And I'm really disappointed in the watch, to be honest with you. It hasn't got much on it, and you can't actually use it without connecting to the app. But apart from that, thanks for watching this review. Hope you found something helpful, and please like this video. Yeah, and see you in the next video. Bye.